Yes, folks, we're now with Chef Francesco, and he is showing me how to make
Pena pasta with the pizza sauce.
Okay, can you tell us a bit more about the sauces?
Yeah, this is the pizza sauce. This factory is produce another 7 different sauce.
Right.
We have the garlic sauce.
Okay.
Okay, we have the arrabbiata sauce.
Okay.
It's very spicy, yes, because arrabbiata. And this is marinara. Marinara where there is too much oregano. Yeah, the flour is oregano.
A very herbal flavor.
Yes.
Okay.
I have vodka sauce.
Vodka sauce.
It's
right.
very good.
Okay.
And we have also 4 cheese sauce.
Wow. Okay.
Very.
Is this available in Singapore, Chef?
No, we stay here because we want. We are looking for the
Distributor.
Yeah, the distribution.
Okay.
Yeah, so we stay here. If there is someone, this is a very real, good product. It's
Right.
very real. This is product is present only in the States and Canada.
Right.
It is a product in Naples.
Naples. Okay.
Yeah, everything came from Naples, the ground of Naples.
Right.
The sauce, the space, the everything, the oil, everything from Napoli, Campania. Yeah, it's Campania, and this brand is present in the States and Canada.
Right. All right, folks. So as Chef Francesco was saying, the sauces that he's using is unfortunately not available here in Singapore. He's looking for a distributor, and in a while I'll be tasting the Pena spaghetti. Is that right?
Yeah, this is a Pena Pasta.
Pena Pasta, sorry.
Yeah, yes, it's Pena Pasta with the test. This test is a pizza sauce.
With the pizza sauce. Thank you.